Okay, so I have figured out a way to supercharge Hermes and make him a super good researcher. I have mixed Hermes with NotebookLM in my own GigaBrain app. I have it as GigaHermes and GigaBook for both apps, but you can do this as well. So I'm going to show you guys how much smarter you can make Hermes. So I'm going to open him up just the way that I do everything else. Skip permissions. Launch his terminal. I'm going to take this out of chat mode and put it into terminal mode just so we can see everything specifically. Let's test how good he can use NotebookLM. I already tested him on a different way, and I want to show you guys that right now first. So first, I just had him do a quick little thing, the Holy Roman Empire. And so as you see over here, here's all the different sources. It did a deep one. We're not going to do a deep one again. That took forever. But it got 65 sources, right, on everything about the Holy Roman Empire. And it actually made this for me. So this is a slide deck that he made for me. And it's basically everything about the Holy Roman Empire. And it's awesome. I mean, Hermes did this. And not only that is he's basically, he knows everything about the Holy Roman Empire now, all by using NotebookLM, which is anti-gravity. So you have these smarts and the understanding of coding and using tools like Hermes, while also now having the brains of Google and using the research of Google, which is the best. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to message Hermes right now, and I'm going to show you how he has complete access to NotebookLM inside of our GigaBrain app, and this is his new brain. So I'm going to just tell him to just do research with GigaBook and basically being a lot smarter and more powerful. Let's see if he can find anything like that. I want you to use GigaBook to research and create a slide deck for me on how to make GigaHermes way more powerful. How can we make Hermes so much better and have more capability to build things and use tools and everything like that? I want you to go ahead and do that right now. Do it as a quick research inside of GigaBook. And then when you get done with that, turn it into a slide deck. Okay, so we are now going to send this. Okay, so he's already been running for a couple minutes. Let's go see what's going on over here. So this is GigaBook inside of my GigaBrain. It's basically everything NotebookLM. It's taken us a long time to get it all connected, but we finally got it. So he created this. It's called GigaHermes Power Sources. So we have all these different sources, LLM-based multi-agent orchestration. I mean, this is already something he's already built. He has not created the slide deck yet because we'd see it right here. But just like that, guys, he has now put everything he's found and he's put it into sources. He's put it all together, and then we could ask questions down here if we wanted to. I will say, when you use this chat down here, you're speaking to anti-gravity, which is like NotebookLM or Gemini. I'm not sure exactly who's the backend that's connected for that, but you're speaking to NotebookLM. But what you're doing is you're putting the brain and researching how it works into Hermes like this, so that I can go to Hermes and ask him any questions on this, or have him create a slide deck, an audio overview, a video overview, reports, quizzes, infographics, flashcards, data tables, mind maps. We can have him do any of those things. While he's setting all that up, let me show you guys how easy it is to connect everything with the GigaBrain app. We made this super easy for everyone to use. So when you first come into the GigaBrain app, you'll come into what's called the full setup wizard. So when you come in, you'll definitely need to detect your codecs, which mine's already detected, so I don't need to do this. But this is just for an example for you guys. And then, you'll detect everything that you have. And then you come into your agents and you will click this install Hermes engine. I've already got it. I don't need to. But all of this is ready to go. You just install it. Boom, you're good to go. And then what you'll do is you'll come over here to GigaBook inside the settings, and you will make sure you're signed in. And then also there's a download. There's a download for the NotebookLM tool, and you'll click that. You'll sign in. Boom. In like 5 clicks, you have Hermes, you have the GigaBrain app, and you have NotebookLM set up, and everything is already fully wired for Hermes to use, or any other agent that you have, or any other LLM that you wanted to use. I mean, you could just have basic Claude use it as well. Okay, and now if you see above me, we now have the GigaHermes power sources slide deck generating. Okay, it's done with the slide deck. Let's check it out. Okay, this is pretty cool. Let's see here. Let's zoom in, full screen. So the universal language of AI. So what you could, I mean, as a content creator, I could have made this like a slide deck to make a video on, right? So let's see here. The integration and past traps. Let me use my voice doc out of here. LLMs, tools, the MCPs. Okay, cool. The universal standard for machine intelligence, database, cloud services, document files, plugging it in. I mean, this is so cool. So Hermes and NotebookLM made this just like this. And this is really cool. This helps you understand how all this is getting put together. So you have a client layer, a host layer. So, okay, the server layer, MCP server. Cool. The 3 pillars of server capabilities, MCP client, resources, prompts, tools. So you're mixing all of this together to make Hermes stronger. The client execution lifecycle, installation, message exchange, transport layer, the flow of time, executing JSON. This is just so cool and so in depth. Honestly, maybe not a lot of people are actually going to understand this, but the human in the loop security parameter, LLM, the client approval layer, server. Wow, there's just so much data here. So much. Then Composable Age, the model context protocol introduces higher initial architectural complexity, but the trade-off is infinite long-term scalability. By providing a universal language of multi-model collaboration and standardized security, MCP transitions AI from isolated passive chatbots into an integrated proactive digital workforce. Oh, I mean, so this just seems like it's like advertisements for GigaBrain, basically, because that is exactly how we have GigaBrain connected up. Wow. Anyways, guys, I'll have all of this put into my school. Go check it out. Link down below.